We just got some breaking news from ADP. ADP payroll numbers. Well, you know how I feel about ADP, but their numbers came in pretty good. So we're going to look at this, how this data, this tariff news, and all the other stuff will be affecting these today and why. So without further ado, folks, let's dive into today's news. So did you vote out there? Let me know if you voted out there. If you did, I think there was a huge turnout. So good for you guys. Doesn't matter who you voted for. That's your prerogative. But let me know if you voted down below. Let's get over to what's focusing in on the news today and why the ADP payroll numbers are so important. Now, ADP comes out each month and they give us their numbers. They're usually dismal. But with the government shutdown right now, we don't have any data. Why this is important? Well, if we go over to this, the Federal Reserve last time they came out and they said, okay, so we know inflation is one-lived. It's because of tariffs, and we know they're going to be a little bit volatile. But our biggest concern now is the job market. Well, today's news from ADP, let's roll over to it. Here's the economic news we have from ADP. They said that last time they did their survey, there was minus 29,000. Here, let me scroll that in so you can see it right above my head. See ADP payroll? They had the last reading is negative 29,000. They said it was going to increase by 32,000. It's up 42,000. So if you look at this, if the Federal Reserve's biggest concerns, they're like, okay, and we can deal with inflation right now, but the jobs market, that's where we really got to solve the problem. Well, this isn't a bad number. 50,000 or close to 50,000 is a pretty solid number. So if it was a negative number, the Federal Reserve would come in and they'd cut immediately. But this number isn't so bad. So let's get over and see how the markets are reacting to this right through here. But if you're a homeowner right now and you're trying to figure out all the volatility of this stuff, have you ever tried to refinance? Or look at the numbers.